The other day I was sitting in my gazebo, remember from the last video, and I was thinking, wouldn't this be a really cool outdoor cinema? I love being outside, and now the weather's getting a bit cooler and it's getting darker sooner. It doesn't mean you have to start playing around in your garden. Let me show you how you can turn a gazebo into a really cool outdoor cinema. You need something wide for the screen, and I'm using an old duvet cover that I cut to size, and mine is 100 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters long. To hang your screen from your frame, I'm using eyelets because that's the strongest way of doing this, and it means you can use it over and over again. So you make a little hole, push the eyelet through, just follow instructions on your pack. If you don't have eyelets and you don't want to buy them, what you can also do is just tie the corners to the frame. But I had a feeling on a windy day this might come loose very quickly. So I cut a little hole in the corner, cut 1.5 meters of string. I'm using spaghetti yarn, but any wool or string will do. Push it through the hole, and then you're going to tie it around the corner again. This means it's super stable and the knot won't come undone even on a very windy day. Then I cut some more yarn for the other holes as well, the ones I put eyelets in. Once again, I'm using 1.5 meters of length, but this is all depending on what kind of frame you're going to put your screen to. So let's hang the screen in place, and I'm simply tying it to the poles of my gazebo. You can do it to your structure you have in the garden, to your fence, or to a washing line, or you can even put some poles in the ground and hang it from there. Shines so bright. I thought it's nice to have the projector behind us, so I made a little shelf from a bit of scrap wood, 4 holes in the corner, a bit of yarn through the holes to make a hanging shelf. I'm going to tie this from my structure again, from the gazebo. Simpler way would be just drilling it into the fence, but as the neighbor owns the fence, I couldn't do this. I put an extra string underneath for stability, because it was quite a windy day. Now I have a little shelf to put my projector on. Let's make the outdoor sofa super comfy with lots of cushions and blankets. So we're all set up. We now just need to wait for the sun to go down and make some popcorn. I don't put any butter or sugar on the popcorn, but I like to put some marshmallows and some little chocolates in there for a little treat. With the snacks and warm apple juice in place, it's movie time! My gazebo makes it really easy to hang up the screen or the sheet, but you can do poles as well, or maybe a washing line would work really well to put a sheet over, and you can use any kind of projector. We're using one that's attached to a phone, but you can pick them up quite cheap online. So yeah, even though it's autumn, you can still have lovely gatherings in the garden.